Colo 1864 is one of our powder coating ovens. We can produce different powder coatings based off of size according to your request and design. The powder coating trolley can also be designed based off of your request. Our powder coating ovens are designed specifically for powder coating. We use state-of-the-art burner technology down here, which allows the ovens to get up to temperature faster, which allows for quicker time between batches. And also the oven itself uses less energy, reducing one's operating cost. There is also a good insulator, which is 100 to 150 millimeters thick within all the walls, which allows to keep the heat in and make sure that the oven is as efficient as possible.